Hariam children, 20th August, every year we are celebrating Akshaya Urja Divas. What is Akshaya Urja Divas? Akshaya Urja Divas is an awareness campaign about the development of renewable energy in India, celebrated on August 20 every year. The very first event relating to Akshaya Urja Divas was organized in New Delhi in 2004. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has released a commemorative stamp and 12,000 school children formed a human chain to promote renewable energy. The day 20th of August marks the birthday anniversary of Rajiv Gandhi, former Prime Minister of India. Every year it has been observed in different places. In 2005 in New Delhi, in 2006 in Nagpur, in 2007 in Hyderabad, and in 2008 in Panchkula, Haryana Lake. The purpose of Akshaya Urja Divas. The main objective of Indian Akshaya Urja Day or Renewable Energy Day is to promote renewable energy development program and encourage its use as an alternative to traditional energy sources. India's government is aware of importance of development of renewable energy sources to provide the state with a sustainable amount of energy. It is significant to promote awareness about renewable resources among people who are ignorant about the subject. What is renewable energy? To celebrate Indian Akshaya Urja Divas, you must familiarize yourself with the meaning of renewable energy. Energy such as solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectrical power, biomass, and geothermal energy are a few examples of renewable energy. They are derived from renewable resources that are naturally replenished on a human time scale. Renewable energy sources include carbon neutral sources like sunlight, wind, rain, tides, waves, and geothermal heat. They are better than traditional energy sources like fossil fuels that are exhaustible and take millions of years to replenish. What is the benefits of renewable energy? This Indian Akshaya Urja Day 2021, let's bring you the benefits of renewable energy. Tackle global warming. Human activity is burdening our atmosphere with carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases that increases global warming. Renewable energy sources produce little to no emission that cause global warming. Healthier energy resources. Renewable energy sources cause little to no air pollution. Most negative health impacts arise from air and water pollution that renewable energy technology don't produce. Beneficial during severe weather events or emergency, this technology can be deployed wherever required, providing electricity to people without complicated and time-consuming infrastructure development. Stable source of energy. Improved reliability, failing technology, cost, and policies have made renewable energy solution affordable for 80% of people without access to electricity in rural areas or small developing states. Employment. Renewable energy creates a significant and growing number of jobs worldwide annually. According to IRENA's estimates, the renewable energy sector recorded 10.3 million people worldwide in 2017, driven by increasing. Now latest statistics on renewable energy. Here are some useful statistics on renewable energy that you must be aware of this Indian Akshaya Urja Divas. Being a signatory to the Paris Climate Agreement, India's renewable energy spending is expected to grow significantly very soon. According to the World Economic Forum, India can save over $90 billion in imports between 2021 and 2030 by shifting towards renewable energy technology. India's renewable energy sector has grown exponentially in the past few years. The country's installed renewable energy capacity is already the fifth largest in the world. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has set an objective of reaching 450 gigawatt by 2030. Supported by a conducive policy environment, a steady influx of capital and innovative technology, India is capable of reaching 175 gigawatt even before 2022. Thank you to all of you.